In this video, I'm going to explain why so many women over 50, just like me and you, feel financially trapped. And at the end, I'll share the realization that helped me stop blaming myself and start thinking differently about my future. If this feeling has been sitting quietly in your chest for a while, stay with me. Hey, friend, I'm Cindy. I'm a retired, registered nurse, a single mom of 3 adult kids, and a grandma. And for a long time, I thought the tight, anxious feeling that I had around money meant that I had failed somehow. Like I had missed something that everybody else had figured out. Like if there was some class that everybody attended but me, should I be ashamed for feeling this way? So if you're watching this and thinking, slow down, I worked hard, I did all the right things, I was responsible, but still, why does this feel so frickin' scary? I want you to hear this clearly. You are not broken. You are not bad with money. And you are not imagining things. It's not all in your head. This feeling is real. Most women don't wake up at 50 suddenly panicked about money. It creeps in very quietly. You don't even know it's there. It shows up when you start asking questions that you didn't have to ask before. How long can my body keep doing this? What happens if something goes wrong and there's some emergency? What if I just need to rest, but I can't afford to take a day off? And the scariest part, you can't always explain what's wrong. It's not always that simple. It's not always black and white. You just know that something doesn't feel solid anymore. You feel uneasy, but you don't have the language for it yet. That feeling is not greed. It is not irresponsibility. It is awareness, my friend. Awareness. Most women in our age group, 50 and over, were raised with a very specific promise. You work hard, you be loyal, and you don't rock the boat, and everything's going to work out. Were you told that? Because I was. Raise your hand. And it did work out for a while. We showed up. We sacrificed. We carried families, patients, jobs, and entire systems on our backs. But here's the part that no one says out loud. The rules have changed. And nobody told us. Pensions disappeared. Poof! Healthcare costs exploded. Women took caregiving pauses to raise families, take care of parents that compounded over decades. So you didn't fail, the system failed us. The system stopped working the way it promised it would. So in a minute, I'm going to explain why working harder actually stops working at this stage of our life. And it connects directly to the next video in this series. So stay with me here. Feeling financially trapped isn't just about income. It's about options. Slow, grounded options. Realizing that you can't easily step back. You can't take a long break. You don't feel safe relying on one paycheck anymore. That's not drama. That is frickin' reality. In this day and age, that is a reality. And when women usually only do one thing, they feel trapped. Women, we turn the blame in on ourselves. I should have saved more. I should have known better. I waited too long to do something about it. But shame doesn't fix those structural problems. Understanding does. So for me, the shift didn't come from a spreadsheet. It came from a quiet moment. A moment where I realized I don't feel safe anymore. not unsafe in my job, unsafe in my future. And that was really hard to admit. I mean, you have no idea how hard that was to admit, especially after a lifetime of being the responsible one. And so that's when I stopped asking, how do I work harder? And I started asking, how do I create options? How do I learn to make money in a different way? And that one question changed everything. So if this video puts words to something that you've been feeling, but you can't quite explain, then the next video that you need to watch is called Why Working Harder Stops Working After 50. Because that's where we talk about why the old rules stop working and what actually starts to help instead. So you didn't miss your chance. You are just finally seeing clearly. So I'll see you in the next video, and make sure you hit that subscribe button.